The AI helps inspect road condition and maintenance for it. It's cost-effective, flexible, fast, and create analytic. It also only has 3 simple steps. First, road inspection. Cameras that can be used. And more cameras to be added. Second, upload data to cloud. And third, get results on the web-based PavementAI application. You can also integrate with public complaints. Upload the complaints. Click Show Map, the AI will take you to the reported road. Users can review the reported location and observe the detected defect on the road. It makes responding to public complaints easier. And also, site users can use mobile devices to update defect status. Other users can view the updates directly. So, what are you waiting for? Visit us at www.urbanexplorer.com.my.